Welcome to Indaca Institute of Skills.
Discover the power of GeoAI, where geography meets artificial intelligence. GeoAI combines geospatial data with artificial intelligence to analyze patterns, predict trends, and solve real-world problems. First, Google Earth Engine. It processes massive satellite datasets to monitor climate change, deforestation, and urban growth in real time. Next, ArcGIS AI. It uses machine learning for smart mapping, urban planning, disaster management, and predictive spatial analysis. Mapbox AI powers real-time navigation, logistics optimization, and autonomous vehicle mapping with high-precision geospatial data. Descartes Labs uses GeoAI to analyze satellite data for agriculture, helping predict crop yields and monitor food supply chains. Orbital Insight turns geospatial data into economic insights, tracking traffic, supply chains, and global trends. From climate change to smart cities, GeoAI is transforming how we understand and shape the world. Don't forget to follow and subscribe Indaca Institute of Skills for daily updates and learning insights.